Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with a pair of boots that's been turning heads, the Erocalli women's cowboy boots. Specifically, we're looking at their stunning white knee-high cowgirl boots. If you're in the market for stylish footwear that combines Western flair with everyday comfort, you're in for a treat. Let's kick things off by talking about why these boots are making waves in the fashion scene. They're not just any boots, they're crafted with a blend of classic design and modern comfort features. The Erocalli women's cowboy boots feature a striking embroidered pattern, a chunky block heel for stability, and a pointed toe that adds a touch of elegance. Now, take a look at the details here. The heel stands at approximately 2.76 inches, providing a perfect balance between height and comfort. The shaft rises to about 15.35 inches, making these knee-high boots ideal for pairing with dresses, skirts, or your favorite jeans. They're crafted from polyurethane with a rubber sole, ensuring durability and a firm grip. One of the standout features is the side zipper, which not only makes these boots easy to slip into but also secures your feet snugly. The wide leg design accommodates various calf sizes comfortably, ensuring a perfect fit for everyone. Comfort-wise, these boots don't disappoint. They boast a soft leather interior that feels luxurious against your skin, while the outer PU material offers both resilience and a polished look. Whether you're strolling downtown or stepping into a country-themed event, these boots promise all-day comfort without compromising on style. Styling these boots is a breeze. The classic white color with intricate embroidery adds a statement to any outfit. Pair them with a flowy dress for a bohemian vibe, or rock them with denim for a more casual yet chic look. These boots are designed to be versatile enough for any occasion, from brunch dates to evening outings. In conclusion, the Erocalli women's cowboy boots stand out not just for their aesthetic appeal but also for their practicality and comfort. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or simply looking to elevate your footwear game, these boots are a solid choice. They marry timeless Western charm with contemporary design elements, making them a must-have in any wardrobe. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews and style tips. Have any questions or thoughts on these boots? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay stylish.